Hi everyone, welcome to my channel CS Creator. In this tutorial, we can perform two logical patterns using Java based programming. So let's get started. First of all, we have these two patterns. You For these two patterns in this tutorial, we can make a Java logical program. So for first packet, for first pattern, we have that plan that we have a variable n equal to 5. I indicates the rows, j indicates the column. So we go for the programming, and there we can understand how it works or how it actually works. So let's go for the programming. We have the Eclipse IDE. In that, we for first pattern we make the programming here. So I just tell you that how I designed this. First, first this is the main method. Inside that main method, we have declared one variable n equal to 5 because we have the 5 rows and 5 columns. After that, the for loop, that is the outer for loop. For that, we have getting I equal to 1 to I less than n because we have to go till nth index. So from 1 to n, this is the outer loop, that is it declares the rows. After that, inside for loop is for the printing the star or for the column. So it is going from j equal to 1 to the j less than equal to I, because while iterating this for loop from one index to the index, because we have that pattern that at starting point we have the 1 star, after that we have the 2 star, after that 3 star. So while iterating like that means from 1, at first time I equal to 1, so it goes from 1 to 1. After that it changes to 2, so from 1 to 2, so it prints the star 2 times. So that all things we can get from the debug process. So we can run this program as a debug. So let's go run as debug as Java application. So here is the chart where we actually understand what happens whenever we step over. So first step over, initially n equal to 5, I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 1. So we step over here first time. So it prints star first time. After that, initially we have the I is equal to 1, so it goes from 1 to 1, so 1 star is print. Let's check. Now its condition false, so it outside. This is actually for the going the cursor to the next line. So we can write this. After that, again it goes for the for I outer loop, that is I loop, the I for loop. So now we check the ith index, ith value is equal to 2. So now it gets from 1 to 2. Let's check here. So our inner for loop iterating 2 times. Let's check here and also check the console here also. So first time it prints star. This line for the space generated between 2 stars. So it generated space. Again it checking for the condition from 1 to, because at that time j equal to 1 and I equal to 2. So now jth value is equal to 2. So it goes from 2 to 2 because we have a less than equal to I. So it enters into the for loop. Then it prints star again and makes the space here, and again check for the condition that I now right now I equal I checking for the, so it is outside the loop because I is right now at position 2 but j is 3, so it outside the loop. Now again it increase the I value, to 3, and it again checking from j equal to 1 to 3, so it iterating 3 times inner loop. Let's check here. Now check the console here, how it prints. Now again I equal to 4 and j also again start from the ith index. So let's check. So this is the for loop, or this is the pattern. Using that logical program we can make the pattern, and after the our n value means that I and j reaches the fifth index, so it checks again and come outside the for loop. So now we go for the next pattern, that is this one. Same here, we declare the n is equal to 5. I indicates the row, j indicates the column. So again we go for the programming, we make the program for it also. So just we can debug it and check how it works internally. Click on this, debug as Java application. So initially just we change the logic here, like we have the nth index because it is opposite to the actually mirror image of this. So this is not a, so we change this logic here, like we have in this pattern we have the bottom side first, so means 5 star first. So from 1th index to the 5th index we have to go, so we need to go from 1 to n minus I plus 1, means n is equal to 5 minus I at initial stage 1, n minus 1 minus 1 4 plus 1, so it is from 1 to 5. At second time n 5 minus 2, because I at that time I equal to 2, so n minus 2 means 5 minus 2 3, 3 plus 1 4. So like that it happens here, so we can debug it. So check just how it works. Look, j2. So this is the actual logic behind this pattern also, because we we need to check how how our pattern is look like. According to that we need to create our logic, and that is the only option that we can make programming for logical patterns. Look here, I just debug here. Everything is similar to everything is similar to last pattern, but just some logic are changed here. So this is the pattern we have. So if you like my video, then please do subscribe. Again we are coming for next videos with some new patterns and some new things. Till then, goodbye and thanks.